Hi, welcome, I'm Crow, welcome to Driftwood Hollow Drums, and to this short video which is a sound demonstration video to accompany the listing on our Etsy shop for this beautiful drum here. Now this is a 16-inch buffalo drum on an ashwood frame. If you turn it around you can see on the back the design of the handle. So we've got the circle here, this is all artificial sinew, and this is beechwood, and it's decorated here and trimmed off with some wool. On the inside of the frame I've burnt into the frame there the date of birth, which is the 23rd of November 2020, and also I've put Driftwood Hollow Drums in there as well, so you know where the drum came from. Beautiful little drum. Purpose of the video, as I say, is to give you a sound demonstration. Let me pop that on my knee. Bit of fluff on there. Two beta sticks I'm going to use. One's a firm beta, one's a softer beta. Both give a slightly different sound texture, which hopefully you will be able to discern for yourself in a moment when we play. So yeah, here we go. It's just been tuned. I've just warmed it before we came out. The central heating hasn't been on in the house, so all the drums are a little bit damp. Well, not damp, but loose from the moisture that's surrounding the air. It's very humid. It's cold, it's foggy, it's misty. So there's a lot of moisture around, so they need tuning. So this drum now is probably about mid-range. I didn't tune it so it was very high. I like my tone of my drums to be fairly low, so that's the scale that you can sort of judge for yourself. The tone of the drum can be slightly higher and it could be slightly lower as well, depending on the environmental conditions and how you tune it yourself. So here we go. And the firmer beta. Beautiful. Well, I hope that helps you to make a more informed decision when you're choosing your shamanic drum. So it's very difficult when looking online. Just seeing the pictures and the descriptions doesn't always cut it really. You need to be able to hear the drum. You need to be able to meet the person that's made the drum, because my energy has obviously gone into the creation of this drum as well. And actually just see it moving around, looking at the different angles of the drum on the video here will give you a more fuller picture of what the drum is all about. Okay, so thanks for watching. I'm Crow. It's been Driftwood Hollow Drums. Bye for now.